Faisalabad, report by SNN TV. On the appeal of the Anjuman Tajir and City Registered, S.K.A Group, all trade, political, social, and religious organizations across Faisalabad, including Anjuman Tajir and Young Traders City Registered Faisalabad, S.K.A Group, Supreme Anjuman Tajiran, Bali Group, Anjuman Tajiran Allied Group, Anjuman Tajiran Sashna Road, Kirana and General Association, Poultry Association, Faisalabad Chemist Surgical Association, Pakistan Yarn Association, Anjuman Tajir and Grain Market, the 8 bazaars, and surrounding markets participated in a complete successful shutter-down strike on Thursday, April 17th. This was a show of solidarity with the oppressed people of Palestine and a protest against Israeli aggression. Massive rallies were also held in support of the Palestinian Muslims. These were organized under the special direction of Khawaja Shahid Razak S.K.A, President of Anjuman Tajir and City Registered Faisalabad. The rallies were actively represented by General Secretary Sheikh Saeed Ahmed, Deputy General Secretary Mian Riaz Shahid, PPP Provincial Ticket Holder Haji Zulfikar Ali Malik, Vice President of S.K.A Group, City President Young Traders S.K.A Group Malik Suhail Niaz Tor, and General Secretary Muhammad Abbas Ashraf. Other notable participants included trade leaders and members: Mian Abdul Manan, Haji Aslam Bali, Chowdhury Pervez Iqbal Kamoka, Kaiser Shams Gucha, Haji Abid, Sahibzada Maulana Zahid Mahmud Kazmi, Chowdhury Ijaz Ahmed, Shahid Majid Malik, Malik Azam Safdar, Waqar Zulfikar, Zahid Majid Malik, Syed Adil Hussain Kazmi, Rana Abdullah Ashfaku, Zishan Kake Zai, Malik Imran Majid, Rai Nazir Naqshbandi, Wahid Khalik Ramey, Malik Zahib Zafar Iqbal, Amir Hamid Sandi, Amir Imani, Yunus Jamal, Rana Tayyab Khan, Sheikh Maqsood Ahmed, Mian Amir Shahzad. The rallies resounded with powerful slogans in favor of Palestinian brothers and sisters, with strong condemnations of Israel. Participants demanded a complete boycott of Israeli products. The rallies concluded with prayers and Fatah Kawani for the Palestinian martyrs. Khawaja Shahid Razak S.K.A, Patron-in-Chief of Central Organization of Traders Pakistan and President of Anjuman Tajir and City Faisalabad, praised the unity of the Faisalabad business community. He strongly condemned the inhumane treatment and ongoing Israeli aggression in Palestine and Gaza, despite calls for a ceasefire. He emphasized that Israel is an occupying and oppressive force that has crossed all limits of brutality and savagery. He urged the UN Security Council and the Muslim rulers worldwide to break their silence and stand up as a united front against Israeli barbarism. He stressed that the Muslim Ummah must unite to raise their voice globally for the liberation of Kashmir and Palestine, and to uphold the dignity of Islam. He proposed that Pakistan should lead the Muslim world and establish a united peace force, like NATO, to provide rescue and aid during war or disasters, with the aim of saving as many lives as possible. Email: snntvpk@gmail.com